everyone.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So today is the day. It's finally come.
Yes.
We have got our Australis Caravan.
We have. So in this episode, we're revealing our brand new custom caravan for you guys.
It's felt like a lifetime, but it actually hasn't been that long a process.
No.
From chatting with Australis New Zealand to becoming brand ambassadors to designing and building our custom caravan. But we are so stoked to finally share it with you.
Really excited. We've only just moved in.
Just, not even finished.
Yeah. For those that don't know and are new here, we're Tom and George, and we travel full-time around beautiful New Zealand, sharing our highlights and giving you travel tips, inspiration.
Van life.
Yeah.
So after hours of designing, planning, back and forth conversations over the ditch, we got to the point where we were like, this is it. And when we first saw the Australis the other day, we was like, oh.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. It's all come together. Totally happy.
Really happy. And we're so grateful for everyone who's been involved in this build. We know we've tested some boundaries with the new caravan, so we really appreciate everyone's help.
Yes, we do. You're going to want to stick around for the big reveal.
Yes.
Our new caravan is one of a kind. Not only does it look, we think, sensational, but we are testing out a load of new gear with it. Some real exciting tech and accessories that we think you're going to really like.
Yes. So as you may know, this is our 5th rig now, so we know what works for us and what we want.
And that's the thing. This caravan has been designed by us with the team at Australis for us and how we live. So it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but it is going to be perfect for our life.
It's our dream that we've put together and it's come to fruition. Thanks for sticking with us. We know some of you are just as excited as we are, so let's get into it.
Let's go. Welcome to the future of caravanning in Aotearoa, New Zealand.
Yes.
Cool.
Why did we choose Australis Caravans? Well, premium quality, proper craftsmanship, years of experience.
And let's be honest, they just look damn fine. Every time we spotted one out on the road, it was like, ooh, that's an Australis.
We've been to plenty of caravans over the years, all shapes and sizes, but nothing else really compared. Then we met Dan from Australis NZ. Straight away, we clicked. He actually listened, got what we wanted, and he's genuinely a good bloke.
We came in with a big old wish list, but Australis were already thinking ahead, leading the way with smart ideas and new tech, and happy to take on board our thoughts and van life experience. They handed us an options catalogue, prices, pictures, the lot, which made the planning surprisingly easy.
Yeah, and between us, Dan, Nicola and the team over the ditch and everyone involved, we've created something pretty awesome. The whole experience just felt easy, straightforward and actually enjoyable.
Hi guys, I'm Mark from Australis Caravan, so I'm one of the directors here at Australis. Give you a little history on the company. Alex, my business partner, and I started it almost 5 years ago now with the vision to create a really exciting, good-looking van, high quality, using well-known accessories and bring lots of bling. And I think we've achieved that. Our vision is to keep growing. We have been very careful with our growth. We haven't gone beyond our means. I think that showed in the quality of our product. We've got a strong following. We've branched out to New Zealand a couple of years back now. Dan, our dealer over there, has been absolutely brilliant to deal with. He looks after the customers over there. We're really excited to welcome Tasman Travels, George and Tom, to the Australis fold. We really enjoy building their van. I know they're going to get heaps of use out of that over the next few years and fly the flag for Australis. So I want to welcome you guys on board.
When we got the brief, we looked at it and thought, oh my goodness. But through my business partner working through the design, we worked out it was very challenging, but nothing we couldn't overcome. Along with the design and the build team, I think we absolutely nailed it. I know they're going to enjoy their new van. Cannot wait to see it out in action over there in New Zealand.
And I'm Alex. I look after the designs and the drafts in Australis Caravans. George and Tom gave us a great challenge, which we are always up for. I think we've nailed the design itself. The van itself was a good blend of practicality and a good look aesthetics, which we are very keen on doing. at the end, everything turned out well, and I hope Jordan and Tom are happy with the outcome.
Hi, I'm Dan. I'm the co-owner of Australis Caravans here in New Zealand, and we're based in Hope, Nelson in the Tasman region. I've been looking after Australis Caravans here in New Zealand for about 3 years now, and at Australis Caravans we pride ourselves in bringing together the best of both worlds. Innovative design, layouts built for New Zealand roads, and lifestyle combined with the strength and reliability of Australian manufacturing. Our focus has always been on quality, premium products and making sure every van is ready for real Kiwi adventures. I first discovered the Tasman Boys on social media, and I was really impressed by how well they capture the whole of New Zealand. When Jordan and Tom come in to see me earlier this year, we instantly hit it off immediately, as they completely understand what Australis stands for. When it came time for the planning of their caravan, the boys had loads of ideas. Some were a bit out there and most were really exciting. A few of the things I was already exploring and others were completely new to us. We certainly all played a part, lots of discussions back and forth between the team here and also their team at Australis HQ. The end result is really an awesome van, and we're thrilled to see it out there. We're really proud to have Jordan and Tom on board as official brand ambassadors for Australis Caravans. It's a partnership that makes sense. We're super excited for what's to come.
Hi, I'm Nicola, co-owner of Australis Caravans and Dan's wife. I'm usually more in the background of the business, sounding board, I guess, to bounce ideas off. But you'll also find me at caravan shows around New Zealand, but it's a pretty small part in comparison to my husband's role, because I also run our other business, Halo Hair Care Society. At Australis, we've got some really exciting things ahead. New models, some fresh ideas, and plenty of plans in the works. This latest build with Jordan Tom has been such a fun and special part of that journey. The caravan we've created together is absolutely gorgeous. The design, the finishes, the little touches, it's stylish, but it's still so practical. It really reflects the Australis standard, and I think people are going to fall in love with it.
It's been a bit of a hectic year building our new custom build Australis headquarters here in New Zealand as well. We're feeling very excited as we're currently sitting inside the showroom in the very first van to enter our new warehouse. We can't wait to see you all here soon and show you what we've done.
See you here soon.
After a thorough handover explaining how everything works on the caravan and setting us up safely to tow, we were keen to hit the dirt and give it a running.
She towed like a beauty, and now it was time to settle in one of our favourite holiday parks, one of the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere, and time to move in.
Hope you all enjoyed the video. We're completely stoked with the caravan. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. Now time to settle in, and coming next we're bringing you an in-depth caravan tour, so stick around and don't let anyone dim your light.